We have ES pushing new highs here. Nasdaq's in the magical 80s, trying to push 16K. We get the Nas fill, we should see a nice run. $20 seconds left on this candle. That'll be a wick test. Tried to get the wick test here at 41 just a second ago. It came down to 42. I was looking for 41, came to 42. Missed that push. So leave 30 points on the table, but looking for the next one here. Mid-70s. For a run to the highs. As the ES pushes highs of day as well. Daily chart wise, still looking for this test up at 70. We're long one. We are at value area high on the Nas, so a little need to be smart here at 88, but if we can flip the screen, should have a really nice push. If we can flip this green, I'll put my stop in at 75, 75. Got to get to that 85 level. No luck yet. Watching the ES as well. Got some sellers coming through, so got to be careful as we come back down into volume here at 60. Two minutes left on this candle. About 10 points down right now. I'd love to see this be a last minute close. Popping above value area high here to push 16K. Flipping green. Break that previous high at 91, push 16, break 16, push 20s. Gotta get to 16 though. Gotta stay green as well in the last minute here. gonna go ahead and put in my stop loss. Like I said, as soon as we popped green and pushed this candle, I was gonna put in a stop just to make sure I'm not gonna lose any money here. I can lock in my gains as we push 16K. So running 16 right now. Got to get through 610 and then 620, obviously. Wick test back down to 93 makes sense. Gonna go and lock in a few more dollars here. Want to see this push though. Yes, it's obviously still pushing highs of day. Nasdaq high of day sitting at 27, looking for a 30 push. Really though, realistically on the daily level here, I'm interested in, about 30, but really I'm interested in this 65 level. Just don't know if we're going to get there in the allotted time that I'm wanting to spend on this trade. Back at 610. Got some big sellers coming through. As we push 16K again. This close to highs of day, normally the NAS will run it. Losing some steam though. 10 points off the highs, or the short-term highs, I should say. 15 points at this point. Defending 16K. Psych level, whole number, right? Here comes the wick test at 92. ES still trying to push highs a day here. NAS trying to get a little bid up off that wick test. Gotta pop 10. Pops 10, we run. If you're enjoying this video, I do live stream every day, Monday through Friday, 8:20 a.m. Central Time. This is just a trade that's happening after the session, after my normal live streaming session. I normally stream the morning sessions. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and tune in every morning. Press that thumbs up button if you're enjoying the trade. We did incur about, what did I say, 10 points of drawdown, give or take. And up about 30 points right now. And trying to get that pop of the 10 level. We got a lot of volume here though, and we're rejecting volume again. Not a whole lot of buyers. This might be time to cut it. Trying to be patient here, but it is tough. We did push though. Last candle was the push of last 2 minutes. Really, the last 1 minute gave us this strong push. Again, ES still pushing highs of day. Nasdaq not following yet. About 23, 25 points away from highs of day on the Nas. 2 minutes left on this candle, coming in for the wick test at 92. Running through it. Catching some buyers finally on that wick run. See what happens this last minute of this candle. Of the 5-minute candle, I should say. That's in 20 seconds. Volume to volume, right? Oh, wow. Volume to volume. Here's the push. Gotta be careful for a sweep, but as the minute comes through, nice buy up. This is a risk off trade for me at this point, because we have stop loss in place. in profit. Looking for the bids as we have buyers coming through. Some more. 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. We want to see it close strong, ideally above 10. Closing at 610 or higher should lead to the quick push to 620 and a quick run of the highs as the NAS, or as the ES continues pushing highs a day here. And the NAS Tradeify died out. So yeah, we were up 375 from the morning session, and then obviously this trade, I just wanted to document it and trade it as well. It was a decent close at 610. Really want to see a little bit more aggressive push though to the upside to get us to that 620 level. Without breaking 15, it's definitely not going to happen. Want to see it happen quick. It's trying. I'm just flipping back and forth between these two charts because I see different things on the different time frames. The other one I keep flipping back to is the 22 range chart. A little bit more price action perspective than the 5-minute chart. But look at this ES systematic move to the upside. So got to pop this level. It's trying again. There we go. Should get the quick push to 20. And if we get 20, should just run this high, I think, at 26. Rejected 18. Buyers still look pretty good here on the push. This trade was started about 10 minutes ago. Flushing. I'm gonna have to kill this. It's not as strong as I wanted it to be. Letting it sit at 16K. See what it wants to do. See if it gets bought up at all. It's a net value area high on the volume as well. So 16K still being defended from the buyers. Hopefully you're enjoying this sort of little one-off commentary on a trade after stream hours. If you are, let me know in the chat down below. I'll try and do more of these. Just a little recording session while I continue to trade post-stream. Really having a hard time with 612 here. We get some more sellers coming through. I still think that 20 is a magnet. So that's why I'm really trying to be patient here. Really trying to be patient. I believe 620 is a magnet that price is going to be sucked into. But proven to be a little bit of a challenge so far. I'm going to go and move my stop up again. If we break that wick at 86, that's not looking good. And we're having a hard time right around 16K here still, so. Back into that sweet 1-minute spot left on this candle where we've been pumping the last several 5-minute candles. 1 minute left has been the rips. Before we get that rip again through 13, break that high at 18, and then quickly run. Again, ES is still looking pretty good here as well. I want to see this candle close in the next minute at 20 or higher in order to really continue those moves. If we close at 10, probably going to roll over. So I'll have my finger on the exit at market and cancel all orders button. So I can watch how we close this next 40 seconds. Again, if we close slightly red like this, or even just at 10 again, I'll probably just go ahead and kill it. I want to see this really push into the close like we've been doing for that continued upside movement. If this flips green on the ES over here on the right side, it's looking really good. But at the end of the day, 30 points is 30 points on the Nas, right? So you got to lock it in. Even with a stop that you're trailing. Closing right at 10. The preliminary pump here. Trying to crack 815 or 818, excuse me. 16,018. Words are hard. A little double top, failing to do it so far. Here comes 20, the magnet at 20. Previous high on the day sitting at 26. Trying to run 26 right now. Here comes 26 on the Nas, 4 points away. Still 4 points away on the Nas. Let's look at the range. Buyers look pretty good here. We continue the push. 3 points away from highs of day on the Nasdaq. Go ahead and move my stop up again to 93.75. Just in case something weird happens and we flush 30 points instantly. Hopefully we get this fill though. About, 1 point away. Highs on the day. There we go. We're sweeping the highs. Not a whole lot of momentum here. There we go, and we're out. Go ahead and take off that stop. And that trade worked out pretty good for me. That was $1,090. And that trade was the longest one of the day, coming in at 16 minutes and 11 seconds. So 1462 on the day. Here are the stats from the stream as well as that last trade. Hopefully this video was interesting, helped you out on kind of what my thought process was on this sort of power movement. Again, if I wasn't being slightly greedy on that type of trade, or if I was being extra greedy, I should say, I would be looking for this daily wick here at 80 that I've marked out. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Make sure you press that thumbs up button down below if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Again, if you're into futures trading, etc., this is the channel for you. Free Discord chat link down below as well. I will see you in the next one. Peace.